Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Today we talk about something that holds immense significance in our personal and professional lives: leadership and team building. These two concepts, though often used in the same breath, are deeply interconnected and essential for success in any endeavor, whether you're running a company, leading a sports team, or working on a community project. Leadership and the ability to build a strong, effective team go hand in hand. One cannot exist without the other if you wish to achieve lasting success and growth. Leadership is not about the title or position you hold. It is not about being the loudest in the room or commanding the most attention. True leadership is about influence, empathy, and guiding others toward a shared vision. It is about understanding the strengths and weaknesses of those you lead and creating an environment where every person can thrive. Leadership is about inspiring others to push past their limits, to exceed their expectations, and to grow into the best versions of themselves. As we talk about leadership, it's important to understand that leadership isn't just a top-down dynamic. It's not about telling people what to do. It's about empowering them to take ownership of their roles, to step up to the challenges they face, and to be motivated by something greater than themselves. Leadership is about creating an atmosphere where people feel safe, encouraged, and excited to contribute, knowing that their ideas matter and their contributions are valued. Now, when it comes to building a team, the foundation is built on the principles of trust, collaboration, and respect. A team is not just a group of people working together toward a common goal. A true team is a group of individuals with different skills, perspectives, and backgrounds, united in their pursuit of excellence. As a leader, your job is not to make everyone the same, but to appreciate and leverage the differences within your team. It's about recognizing that diversity of thought and experience leads to more creative solutions, stronger problem solving, and a healthier, more dynamic working environment. But building a team goes beyond simply bringing people together. It's about cultivating a sense of belonging and commitment among your team members. Each person needs to understand how their work contributes to the bigger picture. They need to know that they are not just cogs in a machine, but integral parts of a mission that matters. When people are connected to the mission, they are motivated to give their best. And as a leader, your role is to create that connection, to remind your team of the importance of their work and how it contributes to a greater purpose. A critical element of leadership and team building is effective communication. Communication is not just about talking to your team, it's about listening to them. It's about creating a dialogue where ideas are freely exchanged, concerns are openly addressed, and feedback is welcomed. Without communication, misunderstandings arise, trust erodes, and goals become unclear. As a leader, part of your responsibility is to set the tone for communication within your team, making sure it is open, transparent, and respectful. When teams face challenges, which is inevitable in any journey, it's essential that they trust each other and their leader. The leader's role in times of adversity is to remain calm, stay focused on the solution, and reassure the team that they can overcome whatever obstacle lies ahead. Leadership is most often tested during difficult times, and it's in these moments that your team will look to you for guidance, support, and motivation. How you handle stress, setbacks, and failures will have a lasting impact on your team's trust in your leadership and their ability to keep moving forward. Building trust within your team is an ongoing process, one that requires consistency, integrity, and accountability. Trust is not something that can be demanded or given overnight. It's something that must be earned every day through your actions and decisions. When trust is established, it creates a sense of safety within the team. People feel comfortable sharing their thoughts and ideas without fear of judgment. They know that they can rely on each other and that their leader will support them when needed. But a great leader also knows when to step back and let the team take ownership. Leadership is about knowing when to step in and when to let others step up. By giving your team the autonomy to make decisions, you show that you trust their judgment and capabilities. This not only fosters a sense of ownership and accountability, but also helps the team grow in confidence and competence. Moreover, a good leader does not simply focus on the immediate goals. Great leadership is about setting the foundation for long-term success. It's about preparing your team for the future and helping them develop their skills and potential beyond the present moment. Leadership is not just about achieving short-term wins. It's about creating a culture of continuous improvement where every member of the team has opportunities to learn, grow, and evolve. This is what will sustain your team in the long run and allow them to adapt to changing circumstances. In every team, there will be moments of conflict, moments when the group faces differences in opinion or direction. This is where your role as a leader becomes even more critical. It's your responsibility to mediate and navigate these conflicts in a way that ensures the team remains united and focused on the mission. Healthy conflict, when managed well, can lead to stronger ideas and better solutions. The key is to create an environment where conflict is addressed with respect, where the goal is to find the best solution, not to win the argument. As we consider the nature of leadership and team building, it's important to reflect on the fact that leadership is not a solo journey. A great leader knows they cannot achieve success alone. Leadership is about lifting others up, encouraging them to be the best versions of themselves, and creating a shared vision that everyone works toward together. It's about empowering the team to take ownership of their success and failure, knowing that each member's contribution is crucial to the team's overall achievement. Ultimately, the power of leadership lies in its ability to unlock the full potential of a team. It's about inspiring people to believe in themselves, to work together harmoniously, and to achieve what they may have thought was impossible. Leadership is not a static quality that can be mastered overnight. It's a journey of growth, learning, and adaptation. Every challenge you face as a leader is an opportunity to become better, to refine your approach, and to create an even stronger, more effective team. As we conclude, remember that leadership and team building are not isolated concepts. They are intertwined, each fueling the other. A strong leader builds a strong team, and a strong team elevates the leader. Together, they create an environment where everyone can flourish. And success is not just a possibility, but an inevitable outcome. Thank you.